up? Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna play Noob Train. Noob.
Can you see me?
No.
I'm here. I got so
I can't move my mouse. Wait.
Oh no, the noob is the police. Ow, ow. She's talking to me.
What?
Shit, bro. Oh shit.
I have 10 noobs behind me.
Oh,
What?
shit. Oh.
Jaden, where are you? Where are you? What noob? Where are you? Oh, hello. Come. Make a noob army. Make a noob army. 999. Look at this. Look at the noob army. Wait. Get done. Look at this! My noobs are still coming out. Look at this. Look how much noobs there are. I have one noob. Look, one little noob. 555 noobs. No, actually just 100. Dad, come on, follow me 100 noobs. Look at this, Jaden.
Oh no, Jaden! One new police car!
What? A new police?
Yeah.
Look at all those noobs. Look at all those noobs, Jaden.
Yeah.
Look at this, Jaden. Look at this. Oh my god. This is the noob army. Tiny noobs. Look at the tiny noob's heads! Oh my god.
No.
Okay. My noob army!
Jump in! Kick! The
What?
noob cannot jumping! The noob is so dull! Jack!
Bro.
The noob is fast!
Okay, let me just reset this. Look at this! Oh my god, this is so weird.
I want to all sing me!
Okay, let's go. Oh, look at all these my noobs.
I'm so small, but I'm so fast.
You're small but fast.
Yeah.
Let me spawn like.
Ouch! Ah, shit!
I have 200 noobs. Jaden, do you see my noobs?
No. No.
There's so many noobs. That's 200 noobs. Let's go. Let's go. Look at this. Look at all those noobs. Like this. Oh, look at that. This looks so weird.
Oh my god!
You see me? You see all these?
Come here!
Jaden, where are you?
Come here!
I'm gonna be at the top here. Okay. Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god. Okay, let's just stop.
Why are you so slow, bro?
Look at all this though, it's like scribbles. Come on, let's go. Look, you can see the whole map. Look. You have one noob?
She run away.
Okay, this is gonna be 999 noobs. Look at this, this is so satisfying. Look at this, when you jump. Look at this, Jaden. Jaden, look at this.
Huh?
Oh my god.
How can you do that?
What? Okay, look at this. This is so weird. They're all running around.
Whoa! Fire world! Fire world! I see fire world.
Look at my new army. I'm making a beautiful painting. Look at all those noobs.
Check the noob! Bam! Firework!
I'm just gonna jump here. I can still see so many noobs here.
This is my noob army.
Get a look. Where are my noobs?
Check this!
10 noobs.
Check this!
Oh my god.
Meow, 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 meow.
I'm gonna do go.
Firework! Check this. I will do something. Check me.
Wow.
Fireworks! Fire!
Jaden, meet me here. Jaden, go really big. Go really big so I can see you.
I jump.
No, go really big.
No.
Then I can't see you. I'm jumping on the... Oh my god, look at that guy.
Where are you? What?
Line up.
Can I see?
You're on that one? Okay, don't move, okay? Don't move now. I'm gonna be really big, okay? You see me? I'm gonna be really big.
Maybe you're there.
Wait, Jaden.
I see you.
Where?
I see you here.
You're right under me?
Yep. I jump here.
Okay, wait. Small. Hello. You see my noob?
Yep.
Wait. Avatar toggle. No, I'm gonna do ZY11359. Look at this. Look at this.
How can you do this?
Yeah.
Jaden cool.
Jaden cool.
Boom.
Look at the Jaden cool.
Oh yeah, baby.
The Jaden ZY11359 army.
And Jaden Cool Army is a team from GG Gaming Army. Yay, baby.
Look at all those GG Gamings.
Check how lots of fireworks. Check so lots of
I see you, Jaden. Wait.
so lots of fireworks.
What's your jump power? 199.
Yo!
Yo!
Fireworks!
Look at this firework!
Yeah! Oh my fireworks! Fire!
Look at this!
I'm so stunned.
I think this is
Very cool.
Look at all this! Look at the map. I got some tiny tankers there. Let's go!
Boom!
Look at the firework! Look at this firework! Oh my god. Hello.
Oh, first die. Jaden Cool Army, are you ready? Fight this Among Us?
Hello.
Hello!
Oh, look at this. This is like...
The Jaden Cool Police.
Look at this! Oh my god! Okay, I'm just gonna do Avatar toggle. There we go.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
What?
What the heck?
Okay, Jaden. Bro, look at my... look at this, Jaden! Whee! Oh my
Cool
god!
Army.
Oh my god, this is... Okay, that's just gonna... I'm gonna do green. Look at this!
Hey, this guy, boys, come in.
Bro, I'm gonna do red.
Fireworks.
Bro, look at all this. Look at this. But none of the army is here.
Check this.
What?
Can you see me?
25 noobs. Ready? Look at this, Jaden!
I will do. Now I will try. What color I will try? I will try red.
Line up here.
My fireworks! Jaden Cool Army, are you ready?
Jaden, look at this. ZYY1359 Army, are you ready? Jaden, look at this. Jaden.
Oh, first time.
Look at this. Oh my god, look at this.
Can you die?
Why?
I will see you. Hi.
Hello. Look at my army.
See you, my army.
Nope.
See, run. See, run.
Bro, look at my army. It's just running around.
Hey.
Okay. What the heck? Okay, look at all those.
Pew!
Look at all those ZYY1359 just running around.
Will you see the boss?
This looks so weird.
I will do painting.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
Okay, I think my army is gathering. Yep, let's go. Okay, jump power 199.
See what my army.
What? Oh, you can see my army?
No, that's my army. That's my army. Check, this is my army. That's my army.
Look at this map.
That's
Oh
my
my
army.
God.
Check.
Wait. Oh, you did mine, Jaden.
Yeah.
Okay.
Meow, meow.
Okay. My little army is gathering up. I'm gonna make my trail black. Gathered up. Look at all this.
How can you not buy the trail? I will not do it.
We have a white one. Oh, wait, that's actually nice. White.
Bam, bam.
My army is gathering up, Jaden. Let's go.
Oh, it's Halloween. It's
Jaden,
Halloween.
look at this.
Fire!
Line up.
What? How can you do that? How can you do that?
I just walked like this.
Oh.
There goes those frills lizards. Let's go, jump.
Can you first die?
Whee! Oh, look at this.
Can you first die?
Okay, Jaden.
First die.
Jaden, hello.
I see you.
I have a long army here.
Hey, that's running.
Okay, I'm here.
I'm dying.
Okay, I'm just right here. Hello. Come on, gather up. Look at all. Look at this. Can you see my army?
No.
Wait. Oh, you have my army, Jaden.
Yeah. Oh no. Can you?
Wait, okay. You're trying to wait. Just wait a second. Bro, you put another person's username. Look,
Yeah.
we have the same skulls.
Yeah.
Bro. I'm gonna do this, okay? This is my friend. Zappy Ted. Let's go. Oh, look at this! What? What? That is not my friend! No! Okay, I'm just gonna do system. It's my friend I know. What the heck? This is so weird. What the heck? Bozo LL. What the heck? Bro.
Ow, my head!
What the heck?
She's jumping on me.
What the heck is this guy? Look, Jaden, look at this. Wait.
Helicopter.
Something like this.
Check this.
444.
Helicopter.
What the This is Beauty 444. What the heck? Wait. Beauty. 111. This. Wait. Beauty. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 3. What the heck? Okay, let me do GG Gay. Let's see who is this gaming. What the heck? That is not me. How dare her copy me? Wait.
Check this.
ZYY135. What? 135.
No?
This is ZYY135. Okay, now let me just do mine. Let's go.
Do Jada cool.
Oh, look at this! Oh my god!
Can you see that? I do not something. I got helicopter.
Wait, who other name is this? Builderman. I have Builderman. Look, Jaden.
Okay, today's a video. Bye.
What? Stop that, Jaden.
Okay, can you do UZ?
Let's see. Oogly.
Can you?
Wait, Zebra 1479. Okay, I'm just gonna do my name. Let's go. My army, gather up. Look at this. Firework. What are you gonna change?
Tanko. Tambo?
Tanqua.
Yeah.
Is this real Tanqua? Oh
Yeah.
yeah, it is. Why?
Real Tanko!
Why are you so obsessed with Tanqua? I also have a tiny. No, I don't want to jump.
Zero. I can not jump. I've not jumped.
Bro.
I can even not jumping. Ouch. It's better.
Gather up here.
What the heck? What the heck? Check this.
Oh, look at this. Jaden.
Yeah.
I'm standing on myself.
You stand up your clothes.
Come on, let's gather up here.
I can see you who it is. Check.
You have Tanqua.
Why is not high?
Look at my ZYY1359s. I still have a few. Nope. Look at this. I still have one there. Oh, look at all those. There comes 3. Wait. Now everyone's just running around. Look at this. Oh look, there's another one there. Oh, that's 4. Come here.
Oh. Tanqua?
It forms like a J. The Tanquas.
Can I do Uzi?
What?
Kids Uzi.
Uzi? Me?
Yeah. No, not you.
What?
Uzi.
I don't know that guy.
That's a Bedwars guy.
Okay. I have no idea who that is. It's just moving. Now it's a J. Now it's a U. Why is everyone jumping? I didn't even jump.
I will first do.
I have a few ZYYs. Let's go.
Huh? Jaden's not this!
What?
Jaden's not this!
What? This is. Are you
That's
doing...
not the kid Jaden! Okay, I will do Tanqua.
Look at this.
Tanqua. What the hell?
Tongue cool. Okay, guys, which one is me? Ah, okay. I give it away. Hello, Jaden. My noob.
Tanqua.
Tanqua? Tanqua. Look at your Tanquas.
Hello, my Tanqua.
I'm gonna follow you. Jaden, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, Jaden, come.
I'm not super fast. Do 30, 30, 30, 30.
Wait,
30,
look.
30.
No, I'm not gonna follow you, Jaden. I'm gonna do something. Whee! No. Ooh.
I see you.
You see me?
Yeah, that's
Wee! Wait, wee!
99 speed. Yeah, this better. The Tanqua.
Look at all of the ZYY1359s are just wandering around.
Why
the
is
map.
the Tanqua so dumb? Oh, not though.
I see you, Dylan. Hello.
Can you hear? Check me.
What?
Tanqua, come. The Tanqua's not dumb. One Tanqua. 1, 2, 3.
I have a lot of ZYYs behind me. Actually, not a lot. I'm gonna do like 25 actually. I think it's too much.
Yep, good job.
Look at all this.
Yep, good job. What did we?
Why are there so many people that is not going though? They're supposed to.
5,
Is this 25?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3.
Jaden, I'm coming.
7, 8, 9, 10.
No, Jaden, why'd you leave? Oh, there you are. Hello. Line up behind me, ZYYs. Go 199.
Okay,
Jaden, where are you?
and we now play Bedwars.
Okay.
I see.
One match.
Join me. Join me.
I'm already joined. We'll probably be together.
Andrew.
No, you're not with me.
Where?
Okay.
You're so dumb.
That's Zappy Ted.
Today I'll play Roblox Bedwars. Yo, what's up? Welcome to our video.
Bro, we haven't stopped recording yet.
Hey, what the hell? Can you speak Chinese?
Oh, this guy is speaking Chinese. Or what? Wait. No. Okay, anyway, let's just start, Jaden. I'm already on the
I can see you.
Huh?
Huh? What's happening?
Yep, Jaden. I'm on the top. I'm on the top.
I see this.
Yeah. Let's do emotes. There we go, Jaden, come.
Yeah, I am.
I'm a hacker. Okay, Jaden.
I'm a god.
Okay, Jaden, let's go.
We will do.
Might be fun.
Oh yeah, that's better. No.
Let's go.
Oh!
I don't think I have my kit yet. Who am I?
Let's get this.
Oh, I'm this. I'm gonna kill you. Let's see. What the heck? Who are you? What the heck, Jaden?
Maybe it's the best thing.
Oh, it's 5v2.
Yeah! Yeah, my ultimate weapon!
Banana?
Yep.
What is this?
I'll get 10.
What the heck? Okay. I'm gonna afford this.
Why can I not open it? How can I?
I think you have to feed her candy, the banana.
Oh. I forgot to.
Okay, I'm just gonna get iron now. I'm gonna get so many iron.
I got 2 emeralds.
Okay.
I got emeralds.
Let's go. I'm coming.
Oh no!
What? What happened?
What?
S killed X-Reon 61G1 thingy. And yeah.
Oh no! Oh no!
What?
I cannot feed it. I'm new.
What?
I need candy.
Let me get candy.
Yeah, now can I forge a site?
Wait, you can't forge a site?
Yeah?
Why?
I'm this guy! You're that guy!
Oh my god.
That's so dumb.
Okay,
Oh.
now I can buy a little armor.
Oh.
What?
Oh, I just fall.
Okay, let's go. I don't want to go and kill someone. Bro, what the heck? What is she doing?
Oh, I need.
What is that guy doing? He's just digging up our...
What the?
Why?
Oh, I've now to buy. Block.
No, I'm building, bro.
Oh, thanks. But I can't with the block fight.
Yeah. Let's go. Bro, he also dug it up. Oh my god. Yeah, help me build it.
Bam, 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 bam.
Okay. Oh, I want that emerald.
Let's go.
Oh, I hit him in the body. I thought you were Someone has already repaired our enchanted wall.
Easy. Oh, so much candy.
84?
Yeah.
What the? What is a candy? Oh, Jaden, come. I'm at the top.
No.
No, people are gonna fight me.
I'll first do this.
What the heck?
Do you have emeralds? No. I will not give you, but I have
How much?
3.
What are you doing? This guy is honestly really annoying. There we go. I killed him. It was me.
Oh no.
What?
Some guys. Ow.
Oh my! Why did I just fall in the void? No, I didn't. He didn't kill me. Now I need to get 70 iron and do this.
Solo. How to get that?
That's 12 points and 40. Okay. There we go.
No! Why you're not helping me to fight?
Because I just had a wood sword. Yay. There's no one here. Oh, there's someone there.
Can you help me? Can you give me the loot?
Okay. Jaden, I'm here, okay? Okay. I have 1 emerald. Wait. And then I'm gonna give you 4 diamond, okay?
No.
Okay.
Oh no, there's some guy.
Bro.
Help me kill it. She's scared. Oh?
Bro. It's you. I'm gonna fight. Bro!
Oh no,
This guy!
why you not help me?
Okay, what are you?
I'm now alive.
We have this very annoying guy. No! Bro! This guy's just digging a path.
Oh, I can.
What? Bro, stop, bro. Jaden. This guy's so annoying. She's just digging up her stuff.
Why you break us bridge?
That's why I tell you to play on private servers. He's just doing a bed defense. Oh! Bro! What the heck? What the heck? You just... Jaden.
Yeah.
I went on that guy's bridge and then I fell. Can you help me build? Yeah, look. Look. Oh, no, that's someone else. I thought that was our team.
I have to finish this.
What?
Check. Bomb.
Oh, I know that.
Check this. Check. Check me. Mine.
Oh, you just jumped through that. Can I have that?
No,
What?
I need that emerald.
Oh, someone. People are coming.
I'll buy a bullet now.
I'm gonna get a fireball. Okay. I just killed myself. I killed myself. I fireballed myself. Oh no. I got someone else. Oh, he has diamond armor. Oh my god, how?
Oh my god, this is so fast. I cannot even be here. What are you doing, this noob?
Let me see what level he is. I think he's level 2.
Yep, she's level 2. So dumb.
I killed 7 players.
I killed 3 players.
Stop building your... I don't fall for that now. Oh my god, S this guy. Okay, that's it for today's video. Bye.